Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another Arabic lesson. In this lesson, we will be mapping the Arabic language. When mapping the Arabic language, we start with speech. What we say can either be meaningless, like when a baby babbles, their speech is meaningless, or it can be meaningful, meaning we use words, phrases, or sentences to convey meaning. A word is simply something that is said, like car, young, outside. A phrase is an expression like the blue car or when I was young, the weather outside, dot, dot, dot. A sentence is a complete thought, like the car is blue. When I was young, I would go to the fair, or the weather outside is warm. Now, when we convey meaning, whether it be a word, a phrase, or a sentence, we call this موضوع. موضوع means subject or topic. A subject is either a single word or a group of words. If it's a single word, we call it مفرد. If it's a group of words, we call it مركب. Now, a phrase and a sentence will both be considered مركب because they are a group of words. However, one is a complete thought and one isn't. When we have a sentence with a complete thought, we call it مفيد. When we have a phrase which is not a complete thought, then it's not مفيد. So that means it's غير مفيد. Both of these are considered compounds. And what's the word for compounds? That's right, مركب. So if it's just a single word, what's the word for that? مفرد. Alright, let's move on to parts of a speech. In English, we have the noun, pronoun, adjective, etc. Let's start with the verb. A verb is an action. In Arabic, a verb is called فعل. When we name something, we will usually think of a pronoun or a noun, such as a person, place, or thing. But we also apply a name when we use the adjective or the adverb. When we use the adverb, like the tall boy ran fast, we apply a name to the verb. Instead of the boy ran, we say the boy ran fast. The same with adjective. We apply a name to the noun. Instead of just the boy, we say the tall boy. And names are also found in pronouns and nouns. So whenever we name something, in Arabic we call this ism. Ism means name. At the bottom, you see we have the preposition, which usually are words like to, from, in, on. We have the conjunction, which combines two phrases or sentences, and we use words like and, or, but, etc. An article places limitations on the noun. Instead of just saying tall boy, which could be any tall boy, we say the tall boy. So we are talking about a specific boy. And this is called harf. So we have ism, fi'l, and harf. Let's review. موضوع is a subject or topic. موضوع can either be مفرد, which is a single word, or مركب, which is a group of words. And when we have muraqab, we have either mufid, which is complete thought, or ghair mufid, which is a phrase. Next, we talked about the parts of the speech, which is ism, name, fi'l, verb, and harf, which is everything else. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and be sure to tune in next time. Shukran.